The Antonov An-32 Cline. Precision milled aluminum forms the backbone, while complex actuators
Pallet certifications confirmed for the An-32 actuators. Transfer complete.
X-ray analysis initiated.
The critical components are stabilized in inert gas, preventing corrosion. A worker then scans the unit to
Billet 42 cleared for transfer. Green marker confirmed. Proceeding to process A.
Tonnage is peaking now.
Maintaining pressure. The curve looks perfect.
The etching process selectively removes microscopic surface imperfections and stress risers, enhancing the fatigue life of the metal.
This specialized kiln prepares the Antonov An-32 spars for T6 aging. With the Antonov An-32 flap actuator components undergo thermal stabilization, ensuring structural integrity. The robot meticulously applies the protective masking to the titanium alloy piston rods. This ensures the precise application.
The heat-treated aluminum spars are routed for assembly. Simultaneously, the titanium flap actuator components.
Alignment check on section 4 confirms position.
Reading matches the schematic. Proceed with robotic sequence.
All parameters verified against the checklist.
Ready for final approval, Manager.
The massive Antonov spar is carefully shrouded in specialized protective plastic sheeting.
Achieving a surface roughness of just a few nanometers is crucial for zero leakage in the An-32's hydraulics. The 5-axis mill carves the Antonov An-32's manifold block with micron-level precision, ensuring the integrity of the hydraulic control system. The Antonov An-32 actuators undergo rigorous load cycling, simulating thousands of flights. Thermal
A low, consistent hum is the only sound detected, verifying the high quality of the precision machining for the flight control system. Having completed all functional tests, the Antonov An-32 actuators move to the cleaning station.
These caps prevent contamination during transport and handling, ensuring the integrity of the hydraulic fluid and electrical contacts.
The fully certified, industrial-grade Antonov.
With the retrieval of these Antonov An-32 actuator units, Process B is successfully concluded. The automated system now moves them toward final assembly.
Clear on the left side.
Thumbs up confirmed. Ready for descent. All connections secure on this side.
Verified. The nacelle is ready for integration.
Verification complete. All points are within the acceptable deviation.
Noted.
Proceeding with system lock.
Ready for the rapid coupling sequence.
Hydraulics engaged. Attaching the sensor harness now.
Stivler The massive trailing edge flap panels are moved into position for connection. The actuator's output rod is then
Maximum extension achieved. No asymmetry detected.
Copy that. The cycle is complete and integration is successful.
The Antonov An-32 rolls out of the hangar, a testament to the seamless fusion of design and engineering, now ready for operational life.
The Antonov's high-lift configuration is clearly demonstrated here, showcasing the precise control of the heavy-duty flap actuator units.
Go ahead and connect the diagnostic tool. Let's check the readings.
Connecting now. Hydraulic pressure is nominal. Sensor readings confirmed. 0 deviation.
Watch the weight on that pallet. Copy that. Moving it now.
The Antonov An-32 Cline, a symbol of reliable heavy transport capability.
Continuous trim control during high-speed cruise is managed by these heavy-duty flap actuators, ensuring optimal aerodynamic efficiency for the An-32.